Hello guys, this is Sina Forex and I want us to have a quick look on gold, what to expect for the week. Now, in this particular week, I'm very bullish on gold and I want to see a lot of bullish move. If possible, price getting to 3,500 for the week. That is if market becomes very volatile to push price to that level. That is my expectation for the week. But before price gets there, Friday we had price breaking above this particular zone. So what I was expecting this week is price to retest the zone and then move in the direction that I'm expecting, which currently price is reacting to. As I said, I'm bullish on gold, but if I would be bearish on gold, then I would expect price to break below the dotted red line that I have, and then I take entry around any of that side to this particular area for a buy. So if I'm going to be sell bias, then it means that I will be waiting for price to break below this particular zone, which is this dotted red line. If price is able to break below that point, then it means that I will be taking a sell from that point to this red zone, which I marked from the daily level. And if price gets to that very level, I would still be bullish by continuing my bullish trend until I become a fully bearish if price is able to break below that point. So if I pick a sell from here and price breaks below this point, then it means that I would continue with my sell. But until then, I am bullish and I want price wherever price is currently where price is, I want it to continue the bullish move to this particular point first, that is 34.36 for my main TP to be taken, and then possibly a reversal to any structural points that will be created here to continue the bullish move to the 3500 that I'm looking for. So basically, that is what I am looking at on gold. As I said, I'm very bullish, and if I would be bearish, I would be looking at price breaking below this dotted red line, which is 33.14 or 33.15 thereabout. If price is able to break below it, then it means that I'm taking a sell all the way to this particular point, which is 32.44, and possibly look for another buy entry from that particular zone to continue my bullish bias. Other than that, if price breaks below, then it means that we go down. So if you would notice, currently I'm in my buy trade from what I just told you about, the analysis I just told you about. And when you look at it, I took my buy from 33.27 just because I was expecting a retest from the weekly level as we have discussed earlier on. I was expecting a retest around this particular area. And at this particular area, when you come to the 1 hour, we are having a demand zone which is around this area. So that demand zone basically, for me, confirms the buy move that I want to take around that weekly level that I'm expecting the retest to happen. So if everything should go well, I'm expecting price to get to this particular level for final TP to be taken. If not, if price falls below, then it means that I would sell to this particular level. If price happens to fall below this particular range, then it means that I will be selling into this particular zone until if there is a break, as I discussed, then I will be looking at it. So currently, this is the buy trade I'm in, and I'm expecting price to break above, as I have discussed, to go above, to get to 34.36. So that is currently what I'm expecting price to do. But if it doesn't happen and it breaks below 33.14, then I will be taking a sell. But until then, I'm bullish and I'm expecting price to move all the way from the 33.25 as I entered the trade to first of all 34.36. If you want to have more of my analysis and trade with me, you check the bio for the link to my channel where you can have the ZTPs and entries to also make money as I make money. This is in a forex, as I said, and join my channel. Let's trade together and make money together. Thank you, and see you later in the evening for another analysis.